Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Neteller to Crypto.com quickly and safely. Since Neteller doesn't allow direct transfers to Crypto.com, we'll use cryptocurrency as the bridge. First, log into your Neteller account and go to the Crypto tab. Choose a coin supported by Crypto.com, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, and buy the amount you want to send. Next, open your Crypto.com app, tap Accounts, then Crypto Wallet, and select Deposit. Choose the same coin and copy your wallet address. Now go back to Neteller, open your Crypto Wallet, select Send, and paste the address from Crypto.com. Double-check the details, especially the network, enter your amount, and confirm the transaction. After a few minutes, the funds will appear in your Crypto.com wallet. And that's it. Your money has been successfully transferred from Neteller to Crypto.com. Subscribe the channel for more videos.